up, dude. You can't leave it to the side. Put it in the... We're good.
Like, this is, like, so awesome.
Look, do it. So, don't hit me too hard. Oh, well, but... Damn!
Dude, Thomas, he's older than you.
Fuck you, bitch!
He's mad.
I didn't hear no father, bro. Thomas here again. You gotta pop him, bro. Get him. Make it pop. Oh, we got him.
Fucking dumbass.
Oh, dude.
Stop making that face.
It works better with wooden spoons.
It does work better with
Wait, I didn't do it right.
No, you got it. Oh, I did. That's the spot.
Yeah, take your hair out.
Yeah, there you go. Get him up.
You scraped me, though.
Thomas, you got him.
Oh, come on.
Actually, are you recording already?
I didn't even get you good that time. Come on. Come on.
He does not know what's really going on.
No, make it go to...
Oh!
Stop making that face.
Wait, for you know...
Shit, you got me right here.
I feel like I should be fucking high for this game.
Come on, Scotty. Some more of that, please. That's pretty funny.
Come on, give it good right here. Come on.
Look, I don't know why y'all still. I don't know being quit. I can't take it.
Ah, fuck. It almost knocked me out. Oh, okay, go no more.
Thomas, watch this video.
Hey, let me get Scotty.
Scotty, come get him.
Scotty, it's your turn.
He wants to play this, Scotty.
Come on, Scotty.
Damn, these motherfuckers are dying over here. Y'all need to quit smoking.
Go ahead, Scotty, get your phone.
My head hurts, bitch.
Dude, come on, pussy.
Dude, I'm hurting.
Pickle, you do it.
Hell no. I'm too white.
Alright, you do it.
Scotty.
Scotty, what are you, pussy or something?
Say hi, Pickle.
Come here.
Hi,
I don't like
Pickle.
big things.
Say hi,
Scotty
Gabby.
said, fuck that, I'm a soldier, I'm gonna do this shit.
Look at little homeless kid.
Yes, so
Scotty, move your fat ass. You're walking in front of the camera.
Look at that.
He's pregnant.
If I do.
It's a, you pregnant for an elephant.
He's pregnant for him.
I used to tell my I'm a bad camera woman. I'm sitting there recording the wall. My stepdad used to tell me that. He said, I'm pregnant for an elephant.
Oh no, the worst recording person ever is my mom. She's like, look at the fucking rabbit running across the